All right, so we're working on this substitution problem. Just to review how we got to here, since I forgot to start the recording, and for my dudes in the math lab. So k is -5/2. We substituted only for k, so k only replaced this. This is where most people are getting confused, is this negative came down on its own, this negative came in with the substitution, minus the negative created plus, or plus a positive, because this is like assumed positive, and plus a positive doesn't do anything special. You're fine. If you guys hear noise, one of our custodians, Mr. Shoop, is setting up a ladder and doing something in the ceiling. So if you hear noise, hopefully it's not Mr. Shoop falling. So we copied on 3/2. Plus a positive doesn't do anything special, so it's just plus 5/2. And can either of you tell me what we want to think about now that we have positives and a negative?
It's 8/2 plus -2.
Yeah, so we're going to go ahead and combine our positives, right? So 3/2 and 5/2 is 8/2, and then we still have plus the -2. I didn't really need to change colors to write that 8/2, but I did. Now 8/2 can be simplified, right? What does 8/2 simplify into?
4.
Yeah, it's 4. So we really have 4 plus a -2. And now we think good guy, bad guy, right? Who's going to win here?
Good guy.
The good guy by how much?
2.
Yeah, so good guy wins by 2. Questions on that one? We substituted in k, then we simplified, then really we simplified again, we simplified again, we added our positives together. Because we had common denominators, we added the numerator and carried the denominator down. We simplified again, and then we did good guys versus bad guys. All right. I'm going to stop recording this, actually.